Hi guys, today we're going to be looking at something a little bit different. Received an email overnight from somebody, and it's a timely reminder to have a look at the emails that you receive. And so I thought I would go over how to check to see if that email that you have received is a scam or not. People will still find your email address lying around on the internet somewhere. The most likely place that they're going to find this information is through your what is called the who is information, which is just the name, the contact details associated with the domain name of your company's website. And as you can see here, this is a quick example of what we're looking at. I've blurred out all of the information there, so not to give away any details, but it is publicly listed, so there's nothing stopping you guys from going to have a look at that. But that is where these people get your email address from, and they will still try to contact you. If you go through business without getting a contact like this, you are in a very small percentage of people, and you are very lucky. But what we're going to do is we're going to bring up these screenshots here, and I thought we'd have a look at highlighting exactly what it is that we need to be looking for. So here's the first screenshot. This is a screenshot of the email that I received. Obviously we've put in the read 1 to 3, 4, 5, and we've labeled it screenshot 1, but everything else is as it was when we received the email. So as you can see, it's from service, and here is the body of the email. This email did intrigue me because I immediately looked at the words PayPal updates account notice, and I ignored who it was from. We saw PayPal updates account notice, and we decided to open it up and just read through. But as I was reading through, there's a couple of things that stood out to me, and we'll go over those. Once I realized that this could potentially be a scam, the first thing that I did is click up here and see that is the name of the person or company or account that emailed us overnight. And I'll bring up the second screenshot here, because once you click on that arrow there, it comes down, and this is the address it was sent from: PayPal at miterings.cz. Now, this part here, the domain name that it was sent from, was how we knew it was a scam. Basically, any company like PayPal will have their name in their email address as their domain. So do not click any links, do not open it, do not forward it to anybody, just remove it from your account as soon as possible. But the first thing obviously was the address there, but this is the part here that showed us that it was not from PayPal before we looked at the email address. It says, please update your information. PayPal is the safer, faster way to pay online and in store. So straight away there, the grammar is not good. But please update your information, full stop. PayPal is the safer, faster way to pay online and in store. And then we continue. To get started, confirm your account by clicking the link below, ... as in, you know, again, not great grammar, but it's kind of like a pause in there, which is a little bit odd, you know. It's kind of like, will he do it, ... Sincerely, PayPal. Usually, again, they'll sign it off with one of their customer service people's name or the head person of their area, not just PayPal as a company. But here, number 2 is the thing that really stood out to us. Click login PayPal. That's just broken English. That's really an instruction click, a separate instruction login, and the company name. So, you know, that was alarm bells there. The third thing, help and contact help security center. Do not reply to this email. Again, help and contact help. That's just broken English again. Do not reply to this email to contact us, which contact us is a hyperlink. So again, if you're receiving an email from an organization that you are dealing with, or an organization that you're not dealing with but it's a legitimate organization, they won't be adding a hidden hyperlink within the text. They'll say contact us at this email address, and they'll list, contact at paypal.com or whatever it is. They won't just list contact us and place a hyperlink in there. That basically hides what the link address is, and you will be clicking that at your own risk. The fourth thing that we saw was here, copyright. Now I don't know what this symbol is called, but copyright S with a funny notch at the top, so that shouldn't be there. Whatever, PayPal, all rights reserved, and then PayPal, just some random kind of number here. So overall, we're looking here at a lot of broken English, a lot of grammatical errors, and just sloppy copywriting, really. And if it's a legitimate company, it should have been checked. It will not be this sloppy. So that's all from today. Hope that's helped you. Hope that will help you in the future if you get any of these types of emails. Stay safe with your web habits. Stay safe. Clicking only on links that you know are trusted, and you should be fine.